Hi everybody, my name is Skylar Kerr. I'm a second year mechanical engineering student at the University of Alberta, and today I'm going to be talking about a technology which I believe lies at the heart of the idea of urban sustainability, and that is turbomachinery. Urban sustainability is the idea that a city is able to rely primarily on its own forms of clean, renewable energy and resource production while minimizing its environmental footprint. Since their inception during the Industrial Revolution, non-renewable resources such as coal, petroleum, and natural gas have found their place in many large centers as they are a consistent and reliable source of lots of energy. However, these resources are running out and also have a detrimental impact on the environment. This is where turbo machines, such as this simple example here, come into play. In the world of mechanical engineering, turbomachinery is used to describe a machine that transfers energy from a working fluid, such as air or water, to a rotor which converts it into usable electricity. Examples of turbomachines include pumps, compressors, fans, and turbines. This makes them extremely useful when it comes to urban sustainability, as they provide a way of harnessing two very abundant and renewable resources provided by nature: wind and flowing water. The most significant turbomachine when it comes to sustainability is the turbine. Turbines are used in a wide range of electricity producing operations, most prominently hydroelectric dams and wind turbines used all across the nation. The energy generated from hydroelectricity in Canada alone sums up to the equivalency of 85.7 megatons worth of oil consumption. But what does this all mean for urban sustainability? The ability of wind turbines to be installed, partnered with the fact that many cities are located in the proximity of a source of flowing water, whether it be a river, a current system, or tides, makes harnessing energy from naturally occurring and renewable sources obtainable. This is all thanks to mechanical engineering and the design behind the turbine. Shown in the diagram are the basic elements of a standard wind turbine. Much of the same principles for a wind turbine are carried over into turbines in use in hydroelectric settings, such as a hydroelectric dam. A rotor is affixed with a series of blades all connected to a low-speed shaft. The speed of the shaft is regulated by a braking mechanism in order to prevent excessive revolutions per minute from occurring, and the shaft itself is connected to a gearbox. Within the gearbox, the low-speed shaft's turns are converted to a significantly higher speed at a high-speed shaft. The shaft feeds into a generator, which in turn, no pun intended, converts the high-speed revolutions into electric energy, which is then stored and transformed into the electricity used in day-to-day life. Working much like an airplane achieves lift, the blades on these turbines are displaced due to a mechanical lift force impacted by the moving fluid. As the fluid flows over the blades, it creates a pressure differential between the upper and lower surfaces. This pressure difference causes an unbalance in the forces acting on the blades and causes the blades to rotate. Now, this is a mechanism that is especially useful as it takes a minute fluid force, say wind speeds of approximately 12 kilometers per hour, to begin blade rotation and electricity generation. This phenomenon, observed by Daniel Bernoulli and published in the 1738 book Hydrodynamica, is the principle behind the workings of the turbine. Across Canada, there are currently 285 wind farms and thousands of hydroelectric dams, large and small alike. With a growing independence from fossil fuels with the innovation of electric machines and devices, these turbomachines, specifically turbines, are gaining more and more attention as they shine in the long term with their reliable, renewable, and clean energy production, as well as having a minimal environmental impact. Ticking all the right boxes, the mechanical engineering innovation that is turbomachines provides a stepping stone to the not-so-distant future of total urban sustainability in Canada. These devices, specifically turbines, are a leap in the right direction.